Before we begin with today's mind stretching exercise, I would like to thank all those who support the Awakenings Project either by purchasing it or putting the word out about it. I cannot tell you how much that means to me. The response to and feedback about the book has been phenomenal, and I encourage everyone to post to the channel how the project impresses you, whether positive or negative. Thank you all. I opened the project with the following words. When the universe awakens from this dream in which you are, nothing will have existed, nor will it ever. Now, on the pages that you're currently looking at, you also see the Medwa Ngwanester for dream or subconsciousness, and the Medwa Ngwanester for the phrase itself. The quote comes from the dream, "We have never existed beyond this." It is one of the dreams of the book that has stayed with me over the years because of the implications a dreaming universe has for me. Also, since then, I have had numerous discussions with people about the idea, intriguing discussions. Intriguing enough that I have compiled ideas coming out of some of those discussions for your consideration and entertainment. So, what if the universe is currently dreaming and we are a part of that dream? What happens to us when it wakes up? What happens to the people of our dream worlds when we wake up? Or to put it more to the point, what does it mean to exist within a conscious universe? Well, that begs the question, what exactly is consciousness? That's a question people infinitely smarter than me haven't been able to answer since the beginning of time. But there are some aspects of consciousness that most seem to agree on. One, it is an awareness of a distinct self. Two, that self possesses an internal reality. And three, that self perceives itself as separate from its environment. So, how would this apply to our universe? Well, in order to be conscious, our universe would have to be a self aware entity. It would have to perceive itself as existing separate from its environment, and it would have to possess an internal reality. Now, let's take a closer look at these last 2 points. The universe existing separate from its environment is consistent with the idea there are multiple universes. So, if our universe is one of many, it is very possible it perceives itself separately from other universes, much like we perceive ourselves separate from one another. And if the universe perceives itself distinct from other universes, well, then it is very possible its internal reality consists of us. This isn't anything new. There have been many people to propose we are an aspect of a conscious universe. I just don't think anyone has dived into what that really means for us. So, what if our universe is conscious? Then we are either a part of its external reality or we are a part of its internal reality. And at this point, you're probably thinking, Kefwa, what the fuck does all of this have to do with us? Well, if we are a part of the universe's external reality, it sees us as separate from it. To it, we may be teeny tiny microscopic things. To it, we would have no meaning beyond its curiosity. Or maybe we are some kind of germ or disease that has invaded it and it's trying to find a cure before we spread to its other parts. Considering what we are doing to our great mother, Urtwa, that idea is not so far fetched to me. But what if we are part of its internal reality? Are we a part of its conscious reality? Meaning, is it aware of us? Or are we some aspect of its subconscious reality? And it has no idea we exist at all, or it only becomes aware of us fleetingly when it falls asleep and dreams. And if we only exist because it is currently dreaming, what happens to us when it wakes up? Do we continue to exist? Do we evaporate into the nothingness of its dead thoughts? What happens to the people we dream about when we wake up? The book explores these questions on several levels, so I won't spoil it. People I've talked with find the way the project deals with the idea of universal consciousness intriguing. I hope you will too. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe to the channel because there is much, much more to come. And thank you very kindly for your support and purchase.